Now in this question we have to find n, and we are given with two n plus 1 factorial upon 2n plus 1 minus n plus 1 factorial with 2n minus 1 factorial upon 2n minus 1 minus n factorial is equal to 3:5. Now, this becomes 2n plus 1 factorial upon n plus 2 factorial times, now 2n minus n is what? N. This becomes n minus 1 factorial upon 2n minus 1 factorial is equal to 3/5. Now, 2n plus 1, one term, then 2n, then 2n minus 1 factorial. First thing, upon n plus 2, n plus 1, then n, and then n minus 1 factorial times n minus 1 factorial upon 2n minus 1 factorial is 3/5. Now, we have just expanded this side to get this one. So, 2n minus 1 and 2n minus 1, this cancels, and n minus 1 and n minus 1 cancels. Okay. So, what is left? Now, we are left with 2n plus 1 is 1, then 2n, okay, upon n plus 1, n plus 2 and n with 3/5. Here this and this also cancels. Is it clear? So, we are left with now 5 with 2 with 2n plus 1 is equal to 3 with n plus 1 and n plus 2. Now, this becomes 10 2n plus 1 is equal to 3 n square plus 3n plus 2. 20n plus 20n plus 10 is equal to 3n square plus 3n plus 6. Okay. Now, three n square, sorry, here it will be 9n. Okay. Now, three n square plus 9n plus 6, negative of 20n and negative of 10 is equal to 0. 3n square, negative of 11 and negative of 4 is equal to 0. Now, let us factorize it now. Now, by factorizing we are getting n minus 4 and 3n plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, n minus 4 is equal to 0, 3n plus 1 is equal to 0, n is equal to 4, n is equal to negative of 1/3. So, n cannot be in the negative. So, this is what? Rejected. Okay. So, n is equal to 4 is the answer.